Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still actually think this is very likely to be a 1, 2, 3, and I don't even really see that the wave 3 is over. I mean, I think there's a possibility it could even go up and take out these highs before we actually go down, make the big wave 4, and back up for a wave 5. So taking a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension on here. I mean, we are sitting at the 100% Fib extension level right now, which I think is a very good, area for resistance. So maybe we will get a little bit of a pullback on shorter time frames, but until I see a reason otherwise, I am definitely still very bullish on pretty much all the yen pairs. So going down to the daily time frame, that is. On the daily time frame, we did get a little bit of a bounce right here, but we don't have a breaker structure down. We don't have a lower high. Really have no reason at all to think that this uptrend is actually complete. Now, if it goes up, makes a double top, and then goes down and breaks structure, that would definitely turn me into a seller. But I don't see that picture yet, so I am definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. I got my Fibonacci right here on the wave 3, which I think is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. I actually think this has already made an ABC of 4, and we're probably going to head back up towards this fib level to make a wave 5. Then if it turns down and breaks structure, like I said, that definitely would turn me into a seller. But until I see this picture right here, I am definitely a buyer, especially on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I am definitely looking for buys unless I'm proven wrong by seeing like a breaker structure to the downside or something like that. But for me, I am definitely looking for buys right now. I would expect it to at least go back up to these recent Fibonacci levels, probably take out these highs. And like I said, if it turns down and breaks structure, I'll become a seller. If it doesn't, then I'll just continue to look for buys at the end of any pullbacks that I may see, especially for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.